join us.
It's a new day.
Let's go.
For a high. It's another day.
Farm Village 2 has been laid out in a way that doesn't feel like a dense urban subdivision. It feels like a community designed to breathe. It's gated, secure, and highly functional with its modern drainage systems, but visually, it feels like an escape, a sanctuary built with the modern family in mind. When looking at architecture, positioning is everything. This specific corner-end unit of the Pia Model sits beautifully to capture what I call living light. Because it's unconfined on its side, it welcomes the prevailing North Luzon breeze, creating a natural ventilation systems that keeps the entire structure cool and connected to the elements outside. The luxury of a home isn't just in its materials, it's in its volume. Walking into the living area, you immediately feel the scale of the 165 square meter lot. RD Sabado builders designed this to be a premium family option, creating a fluid transition between the living and dining spaces. It's an open canvas for a muted luxury, a space where conversations flow as easily as the layout.
So this is the kitchen area. Hindi kasama yung mga furniture. Ang kasama lang here is yung mga air conditioning. The fourth bedroom, which is usually for the maid's room or sa mga guests. May privacy ka na.
What elevates the Pia Model into a true multi-generational estate is its layout. 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. In modern design, flexibility is the ultimate luxury. These rooms aren't just places to sleep, they are potential design studios, quiet home offices for remote work, or safe havens for extended family.
Kids room or pwede mo rin siyang gawin office, home office dahil sa kanyang location sa house, napakaganda din mo. You can actually ayan, no? You can put your study table here, tapos ganyan yung view mo. Diba? Ang gusto mo ng clarity sa iyong mga vision, yan. If you want additional light without using electricity, diba? Alright. Now let's go through. This is the bathroom. So the master's bed has its own toilet and bath. And farm all the way. Ang mga air conditioning here ay kasama na. And this is the third room. And this will be your study area or storage or walk-in closet or kids. Ayan.
Every home needs a punctuation mark, a space that defines its spirit. For me, it's this balcony. This is where your mornings begin with a cup of coffee, watching the light change over Villasis.
So dito, may sariwang hangin ka nang malalanghap dahil na-corner yung leaf ka dito.
When we think about moving to the province, we aren't looking to compromise. We are looking to expand our quality of life. This house offers that exact equilibrium. Premium structural execution, an inviolable corner location, and the peace of mind of a master planned community. It's a beautiful place to build a life. And if you can see your story unfolding here, let's talk.